The sixth and final question. Tara, tell me something. Do you still love Deep? Surprise. There was no bullet in this at all.
Why did you need to play this game then?
I needed to play it, Tara. That's because I wanted to know if you still love Deep or not. In the morning, I had felt that you would push Deep from the cliff and kill him. But then you embraced him suddenly.
What else can I do other than embrace my own husband? How did you even think that I can kill Deep? Don't try to interfere between me and Deep henceforth, okay? Brother Virat.
Help me, aunt, there is a ghost. There is a ghost, you were right.
Have you gone crazy? They don't appear during the daytime.
Oh, come on, it depends on their will. They must be going for a long walk in the morning. I'm feeling very scared.
Is it like that?
Bindia, why are you screaming?
There's a ghost in the house, sir. I saw it, and she has a big knife in her hand.
Prithvi, she's right. I had seen it earlier, and now even she saw it. This means there's a ghost. Sister, please listen. Please perform a veneration in this house, or else the ghost will surely kill someone. Stop talking nonsense. Bindia, have you started drinking alcohol like Maya? There's no ghost in the house. Go and do your work. Come on. I won't go. I'm feeling scared. I don't know if the ghost will kill you or not, but I will kill you. I said go. Okay. Hey, Bindia, you come with me. You'll stay with me in my room today. Praise the Lord. 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 Prithvi, come with me, please. I need to talk to you about the ghost.
Okay.
Something is definitely going on there. What is the secret? I'll have to find out.
Prithvi, the appearance of this woman isn't a delusion. This woman is really appearing in front of someone. She appeared in front of Bindia, the kid, and Maya. Someone has barged into our house and is trying to scare us.
Ma'am, I think so too. Who could be trying to do all this? It's tough to suspect someone since we have so many enemies. We haven't been able to find out yet who is Kesari, where did she come from, and which enemy sent her here.
Is this the doing of some new enemy, or is some old enemy trying to do all this?
You mean to say that?
Correct. Who else could it be beside that individual?
But ma'am, how is this possible? He still has 3 more years to be released from jail. It's impossible to come out before that.
Oh, come on, Prithvi. Everything is possible. This world is a web of illusions. Everything is possible over here. Look at me. I have reached here by breaking the barriers of the impossible.
Do you really think that she...
How do I explain this to you, Prithvi? A jackal, you know, dares to look in the eyes of a lion at least once in their lifetime. Prithvi, find out if it is Kalyani.
Who is this Kalyani now?
I hate that monster Deep. I hate him. He is the killer of my dreams. He killed my dreams. He killed my family. He took everything away from me. He took away all my dreams. My family, Riddhi, Nikku. He took everyone I loved from me. Chavani.
What happened to you? Sister Arohi, what's wrong? What happened? Did you find out about sister-in-law and Nikku?
He killed them. The monster thief killed my sister-in-law and Nikku by throwing them down the hill. I could not save them. Everything is over, Chavani. They have taken everything away from me. I made a mistake, Chavani. I shouldn't have saved Deep's life.
What are you talking about? You shouldn't have saved his life? What do you mean by that?
Deep's life. I had a great opportunity, Chavani. But I let it go though. I wish that gun had a bullet in it. Everything would have been over then.
Come on, Sister Arohi. You had promised me, remember, that you will not kill anyone.
I have forgotten all my promises, Chavani. I just know that I will take everything from the man who took my brother Riddhi and Nikku away from me. I will not spare him, Chavani. I will kill Deep Raj Singh.
It is our personal problem. And you shouldn't have interfered.
Shut up. How dare you talk to me like that? Oh, yes. This is not your fault. It's the fault of the street. From where my father got you. Remember this, Deep. Nothing you have is personal. Everything is given by us. And we can take it back whenever we want, so never talk to me like that again. Understand?
I hate that monster. He took everything away from me. I, Arohi Kashyap, vow to throw Deep down this hill.
You are upset with me, right? You want to kill me, right? Do it then. And throw me into the depths of this trench. A place that buries everything. And all that remains are the cries of the dead. Because the voice never dies. My life is for you. Every time I breathe, it reminds me that I have to keep you happy. However, now I've realized that I'm not even worthy of you. But you are really desperate to kill me, right? End your desperation right now. Kill me. Kill me right now.
Do you want to die for me? My happiness is everything for you, right? What about your own happiness?
It's too cold, you go back to the cottage, Tara.
I have seen the sorrow in your heart, Deep. I know what to do to you now.
Prithvi, what happened? Any news of Kalyani? Is she in prison?
No, ma'am. She was released for good behavior before her prison term expiry. She was released recently.
Prithvi, I was right. She is here and creating fear.
So that means she came for revenge.
Of course, Prithvi. If she finds those papers, then it will be a complete mess, completely, all of it. Let's go and check.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.